This is the elevator at the business building. Farmingdale, SUNY. Whoa, code blue service. That's cool. I wasn't here. I've never been here. Oh, that's alright. This thing's crazy fast. It's also pretty big. So I think this is locked. Yeah. Let's look at the 3.
Angle resistant.
Here we go. Dang, this thing flies. I'm not kidding. Look how the lantern's like.
Are you inside?
Look at that. It's flush. It's cool that they did a flush lantern like that. Whoa. I think it might be too fast for me. We'll do one more.
Sure. This one's going upstairs.
And we'll go to 2 then. Cab itself is pretty boring. There's not even a handrail. The only exception is this floor. The door sounds really funny. Look at how deep it is.